Hey guys, so we have here our JBL CLIP5, and in this video we want to check out what to do when there's some trouble with the CLIP5 or something doesn't work right, or somebody else is using our speaker instead of us, so somebody has hijacked it. So in both cases we're going to perform a factory reset. So in order to do that, first thing we have to do, of course, is to turn on the speaker. And now you hear the sound that it just connected here to my smartphone. And now at this point, we're going to press simultaneously here the play button and the plus button. We're going to press and hold these until the speaker shuts down. And now at this point, the factory reset has already been performed. So now it has forgotten everything that it learned in the past. So none of the devices from the past are going to automatically reconnect. So the next time we turn on the speaker, it's going to go back into the Bluetooth pairing mode right away. So you see this by the blinking LED and by the sound that you just heard. So at this point, we have to reconnect all our devices back to the speaker and nobody else's at best, in case somebody else hijacked the speaker in the past. Okay, so how do we do this? We're going to go now to our smartphone here. In this case, we're using an iPhone, but it works for an Android phone pretty much the same way. So first, we're going to enter the settings menu where we find here the Bluetooth option. So let's enter that. And in this list here, we still find the JBL CLIP5, but when we try to connect to it, then it's actually telling us that it's not pressable anymore, and we have to delete this line item first from the Bluetooth menu. So let's do that. And then we have to eventually turn off and turn Bluetooth back on in order to find the new or the JBL CLIP5 again. So depending on the phone maybe. So in my case I have to turn off Bluetooth here for a second, then turn it back on, and then on the bottom of the list here we're going to find here the JBL CLIP5 again. And so we can pair to this again, and of course here we hear the jingle that the speaker was successfully paired. And that was pretty much it. So now we are the only one connected to the speaker. And yeah, this was already it also for the video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.